Hey guys, quick video here, just showing you stuff gone bad, stuff that's about to go bad. So this stuff they give out for free at the grow shops. Usually whenever you spend really over $20 or $50, they give you some type of sample for free. So I get them all the time, and yeah, I hardly ever use them. I usually stay as simple and basic as I can when it comes to the feeding regimen. On top of that, I'm also a hash maker, and I really stride on my quality of hash and oil. So spraying stuff on my plants to get bigger trichomes, whether it's true or not, I really don't care. I'm not going to spray this shit on my plant, especially when you see like the shit that's going on inside here. And these are stored in a dark place. Given the area is always about 75 degrees, so it's not exactly cool, but this one's starting to brown. You can't tell in the video at all, but it's starting to turn like a tannish cream color. It's got chunks building up in it. You can see the chunks floating around inside there, but it's not good. So I thought anyways I'd show you guys what it looks like when you get some stuff that goes bad. This is too bad to use, in my personal opinion. Some people might say, make it work, but there is chunks floating around inside there. It's turned creamish. When it first got it looked like water. It was clear. So yeah, I believe whatever that thing is starting to form inside there. That's what the chunks are, and the cream color is obviously just not as dark yet, so